How to import AliExpress products to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to import AliExpress products to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you'll get right here. This is my main admin. So in our Shopify, what you guys need to do is you will click on the apps right here and open up your Shopify app store. In our Shopify app store, what you guys need to do is you will search for AliExpress because we need to add our app first onto our Shopify and then we will import the products. So here we have Deezer's AliExpress drop shipping. This is the one that you need to download. You can see there is a free plan available and it is also compatible with the store that I have. So we will be able to place orders in seconds with Deezer's AliExpress drop shipping. So just select this one, click on add app, log in with your Shopify store, and you will get right here. Simply create an account on teasers.com so that you can access it easily. So I have already created an account. I will just sign in. All right, so we have AliExpress right here. And now I can select the products I want to add. We have all of the categories available. Select the products of your choice, add them to your Deezer's, simply to your Deezer's drop shipping, and these products will be found right here in your store. So if I take you to these settings right here and within your apps on Shopify, you will be able to find AliExpress here and you can import as many products as you like. This is how you set up AliExpress with your Shopify store to import products. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.